Good morning. This is a severe weather briefing for this Monday morning, July 7, 2014, issued by the National Weather Service in La Crosse. Some of the highlights for this severe weather briefing will be the potential for severe thunderstorms west of the Mississippi River between 4 and 7 p.m. The main hazards being damaging winds, large hail, an isolated tornado, and brief heavy rainfall. Confidence level in this is medium. And then we're looking for the potential of severe thunderstorms shifting east of the Mississippi River between 6 and 10 p.m. Again, damaging winds, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and brief heavy rainfall, all being the main threats. Confidence level remains medium. Some of the key points, again, the timing today for the severe potential will be between 4 and 7 p.m. west of the Mississippi River and between 6 and 10 p.m. east of the Mississippi. The main hazards, again, being damaging winds, large hail, a brief tornado, although this environment does not favor long-lasting strong tornadoes. And then there will be the potential for brief heavy rainfall as well. And all the area within the National Weather Service La Crosse forecast area is affected. Here's the current radar. We're currently looking at some scattered showers, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm, moving southeast across the Dakotas at this time, and these are on a weakening trend as they move toward the area. The feature that we're kind of honing in on here is this upper low pressure system that's moving across southern Alberta toward the Dakotas, and this will eventually impact the area this afternoon. Here's the latest severe weather outlook for today and tonight, issued by the Severe Storms Prediction Center, highlighting the slight chance of severe weather across a portion of southern Minnesota into western Wisconsin and encompassing all of Iowa. Here's our surface map depiction by 4 p.m. We're looking at a low pressure system and accompanying cold front moving into western Minnesota, and that's expected to kick off a line of thunderstorms, possibly severe, across Minnesota and into western Iowa. And then by 7 p.m. we're looking at the line of storms to move east over the upper Mississippi River region. And then by 10 p.m. looking for the majority of the thunderstorms to be along and east of the Mississippi and eventually out of the area by midnight. Here's the forecast rainfall amounts for today and tonight. You can see a pretty broad area of a half an inch, quarter to a half an inch across the area, with some pockets of slightly above a half an inch. So some brief heavy downpours expected with these thunderstorms. Here's our latest weather story issued this morning for today through tonight. Again, looking at that severe potential moving across west of the Mississippi between 4 and 7, and then east of the Mississippi between 6 and 10 p.m. Again, the main hazards being damaging winds, large hail, and an isolated tornado. Again, some of the highlights for west of the Mississippi River, we're expecting that severe storm potential to be between the time of 4 and 7 p.m. and the main hazards being damaging winds, large hail, isolated tornado, and brief heavy rainfall. Confidence level in this is medium. Then we're looking for that severe threat to shift east of the Mississippi between 6 and 10 p.m. Again, damaging winds, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and brief heavy rainfall being the main impacts, and confidence level remains medium. So recapping everything, there is a potential for damaging winds, large hail, and brief heavy rain, and perhaps an isolated tornado. Again, this environment does not support long-lasting strong tornadoes, so it would just be brief and weak if it does occur. It looks like the main impact will be some damaging winds, so some damage is possible to trees, buildings, and power lines, and there could be some outages as a result. Again, the timing of these storms looks like later this afternoon and then into this evening, and storm spotters may be needed, so stay tuned. This ends the severe weather briefing, and thank you for listening.